Hello guys, how you all doing today? I hope you guys are doing great. It's a Tuesday, yeah. So in today's video, I'm going to be talking about my upcoming skincare training. So before we start talking about that, I want to quickly talk about this particular video that you are watching right now. This recipe. How many of you saw this video? I think a few months back, around February or March. That was when I uploaded this video. And I don't know if you watch this particular video, you wrote down the ingredient and you haven't made this oil yet. I still don't know what you are waiting for. Like, this particular recipe still remain one of my best oil recipe ever. Like, this is the oil I use on my skin. I don't use any other oil since I made this particular recipe. Like, I took my time selecting all of the oils I use on this particular recipe. It took me about few months because I actually infuse some of the oils I make use of. And secondly, let's talk about the oils, like everything I use in this video are safe, very effective, and very good. And if you're into skincare formulation and you are looking for a very good recipe on how to make whitening glow oil, try out this recipe. I bet you are going to come back thanking me. Like, this recipe is not cheap. It's not cheap, I repeat. Like, it's very good, very safe, very effective, and very good for all skin type and for all skin color. It's good for sensitive skin. It's not harsh at all, I must let you know. And there's no way this oil will give you stretch mark, discoloration, white dot, or whatsoever. I have a lot of customers that always order this particular oil, that it got to a point that somebody that tried out this oil came back purchasing about 5 liters of this oil. That is to tell you how effective it is. Please, I just want to talk about it more because I feel like many of you don't really know how effective this oil is. So now that we are done talking about the oil, let me quickly talk about the reason why we are here. So my skincare upcoming training is coming up pretty soon. So in this particular training, we are going to be learning how to make whitening base cream, whitening glow body lotion, whitening face cream, whitening glow scrub, extra whitening glow body oil, 4 times mulatto soap, repair glow scrub, whitening black soap, repair black soap, and whitening glow scrub, and more other bonus formula. So if you're already into skincare formulations, like you want to upgrade your recipe, please attend this particular class. The last one we did, almost everybody that tried out the recipe, they all came back with great review, and that really made me so excited to know that they did not just attend the training, but they got value of what they paid for. So if you are looking for a way to upgrade your formula or your product, please attend this class, and I promise you will not regret it. 100%, you will definitely enjoy the training, you will enjoy the recipe, and you will get a lot of reviews and a lot of customers making the recipes I'll be sending. Like, they are all pure natural. There is no missy, there is no ajokuno and all of that stuff. Just take this class and be done with all the fake recipes and all of that.